Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial where we'll be recreating the interactions we see on framer.com. The last time we had done the toggle switch interaction. Here's a quick preview of that. You can also find the link to this tutorial in the description box. And here today we'll be doing the infinite scroll interaction. Let's hop on to our designs where I had recreated the pricing page on Framer. So this is the frame where we'll be adding the scroll interaction. We'll go to the insert panel right here and we will go to interactive and click on ticker. The ticker essentially helps us create that infinite scroll. It's very simple. All you have to do is place it inside that frame. So I'm just going to pick this up. I'm going to resize it a bit and put it right here. This is done. I'm going to make sure it is covering the entire area inside the frame. So I'm just going to do it 100% width and 100% height, just like that. And I'm going to adjust the position so it's right in the center. This looks cool. Now we'll have to see what content we have to add in here. So let's just go back to the live website and copy the content right here and paste it on the artboard, outside the artboard here in this case. And let's just start creating the text. So I'll just quickly write that down and I'm going to go check the properties from the website here. I'm going to go to inspect and see what all properties does the text have. Well, it's 16 pixels in white in color. So that's what we'll do here. It's already 16. We'll just change the color to white. And that looks good. Now we need to add the icon right in front of it. So I'm going to go to the insert panel again. This time I'm going to icons, feather icons, and I'm going to place the icon right in front of the text. Now we'll see the properties of the icon. It's 15 by 15 pixels. So that's what I'll do here, 15 by 15. That looks good. And I'm going to place it right here. Now we need to create a stack out of it. So what we'll do is, but before we'll change the icon, of course, let's just change that so it matches the CMS icon and change the color to white. With that done, let's just see how much padding is required. It's 10 pixels, so let's just do that. Create a stack here and remove the fill, of course, and we'll ensure the padding is 10 pixels. That is the gap, sorry. The gap is 10 pixels. And we'll ensure it starts, the distribution is always set at start. And yeah, that's one stack done. We'll go rename it to item 1. And just like that, we'll do for other items as well that are going to go in the scroll. I'm going to change that to item 2. So here the text is getting cut, as you can see. One way to fix it is to adjust the overflow setting and change it to visible. But here I'm going to do something else. I'm going to select this and go to width and change it to fit content. This way we have fixed the text properly. Now let's go ahead and change the icon and repeat that for all other items in here. So it's important that we put it all in a stack. That is why that is done, because we can't really connect normal text layers to the ticker. So it has to be properly named in proper stacks in order to connect it. Let's just quickly do that. I'm going to quickly change the names. Once that is done, let's just put it here. And this is our ticker. We'll go to the ticker properties now. Here we are going to connect the children. Just tap on add and you can see all the 5 items that are there in the options. So we'll go from item 5, add another, item 4, and like that we'll add all the items, just like that. It's very simple and really fun to do. So that is done, and as you can see, it's kind of added in the space, but it's going horizontal. We want it to go vertical. That's very simple to change. We'll just change the direction here, and we can see that the unlimited search is misaligned. That's because it's center aligned, so we'll just make it left aligned. So all of it is in one proper space. We're going to change the speed, and the gap and the padding seems right here. We won't change that. We can change the other properties you like, and here we can also change the clipping. Like clipping is basically fading out effect here, as you can see. It's there in the live website as well. So you just adjust that a little bit. I'm just playing around. And yeah, 44. Okay. We can also play around with the opacity, adjust it. Inset is something which just removes the things, and this seems good. Let's just play it and see how it looks. So it's already in action. It looks good to me, but the speed I think is a little more in our case compared to the one on Framer site. So I'll just go back and adjust the speed. So let's just go down. Let's just make it probably 15%. Just adjust the clipping also a little bit. Let's make it 80% or maybe just 70%. Alright, this looks much better. So our toggle switch is working, and also the infinite scroll is in action. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.